Welcome to JRMsweeps. Today we are going to install a hood quick lift kit on a 2015 Jeep Wrangler from Suparee. You can purchase this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the video description if you'd like to pick this up on Amazon. Okay, when you unbox this kit, you're going to get some mounting hardware, and you're going to get the two struts here. You'll also get a set of instructions. Let's get started. You will have two options here when you're installing the kit. You'll have a screw option or a rivet option, and those will be affixed to this particular bracket here. If you do decide to go with the rivets, you will need a rivet gun, but in this case we're just going to use the screw option. That way it's easy to install and uninstall if we need to. With the hood open, we need to locate this piece right here, and just simply take you a flathead screwdriver, pop that little piece out, and then we'll install the mounting hardware. This is the first piece you're going to install here, and so you can see how that installs. You're going to repeat that process on the other side as well. Simply take your strut, the back part of it, you're just going to pop that into place. We're ready to mount the top bracket. Take this, we're going to put it into the top part of the strut, and then what we'll do is we'll come up here, mark two holes. We're going to tap those with a small little drill bit, and then we will put our two mounting screws in. Mark our two holes. This is what it looks like after being completely installed. All you have to do is just repeat that process to the other side. Let's give it a test. Again, you can pick this hood lift kit up on Amazon from Suparee. I put a link in the video description. Thanks for watching.